Welcome to Golden Software's video training for Grapher 11. Grapher 11 is an advanced 2D and 3D graphing program that can display data in a number of different graph formats. This video explains how data should be arranged and formatted in order to create graphs easily in Grapher 11. Grapher 11's worksheet window is a great place to make sure data is formatted and arranged in a way that Grapher can use. In this example, we'll use a file named data.fmt.xlsx. You can download this file from the address on screen before continuing with this video. In this example, we will access the example by clicking File, Open, and then selecting Libraries, Documents, Data Formatting. Now we choose data.fmt.xlsx and click Open. The original data is in rows with the titles in column A. Grapher reads data by column, so this data must be transposed to be used correctly. First, highlight all the data by clicking here. Then, click the Cells tab in the top ribbon bar. In the Data group, click the Transpose command. All data will be switched from rows to columns. Now that the data is in columns, we can see Category 2, column C, contains numbers, but the numbers are left justified in the cells. Normally, this indicates the numbers are formatted as text instead of a number. We can use the transform command to convert these text cells to numbers. Highlight the data that needs to be reformatted. You can click on the column C head. Click the Cells, Data, Transform command. The Transform dialog opens. The Transform command allows users to perform any number of equations on the data in columns, rows, or individual cells. Make sure the transform width is set to column variables. Enter the function C equals in the transform equation box. This is the destination column that should be transformed. Click the Functions button to expand the dialog to display preset functions. Double-click on the ATOF-X button and the ATOF-X is added to the equation box. This function converts text to floating point numbers. Highlight the X in the transform equation and change it to C. This will convert the text in column C to numbers in column C. Change the first row to 2 so that the header row remains unchanged. Check to be sure that the text cells drop-down says are treated as text. Click OK and the transform equation is applied. In Grapher 11, the default label format for the plot is determined by the label format in the worksheet. Setting the label format in the worksheet is a good way to display the labels in the plot exactly as you want. The worksheet format is also the format that is used for text from a worksheet cell in Grapher 11. To reformat dates or times, highlight the data in cells A2 through A13. Click the Cells tab in the ribbon bar. Then in the Format group, click the Format Cells command. The Format Cells dialog will open. Highlight everything in the Date Time Format text box and delete it. Click the predefined Date Time Formats drop-down menu and select MDYY. Now click the Insert button to the right. The MDYY should appear under the Date Time format. Click OK and the dates are changed. Another important formatting practice for data is to have it in sorted order. Order is important in Grapher because data is plotted in the exact order it appears in the worksheet. These dates in column A are out of order, and the sort command can be used to place these dates and related data in the correct order. Highlight all data in the worksheet. If only the date column is highlighted, only the date column data will be sorted, so be sure to select all of the data. Click the Cells tab in the ribbon bar. Then in the Data group, click the Sort command. The Sort dialog will open. The Sort dialog allows data to be sorted using up to 3 columns. The labels in the first row option should be checked, so that the header row stays at the top of the data. The default Sort First By option is set to the first column, Date, and ascending. These are sufficient settings. Click OK to sort the data. Now that the data is set up correctly, plots can easily be created from this data. You can create a graph directly from this worksheet by highlighting the first 4 columns and clicking the Graphs, Create, Basic, Line Plot command. With that, your data has been successfully reformatted so that you can create a basic graph in Grapher. This concludes the video training for how data should be formatted in Grapher 11. If you have any additional questions, please contact Golden Software.